What if I told you the new iPhone 17 Pro just brought the biggest camera and chip upgrade we've ever seen? We're talking an 8 times telephoto zoom, basically a pro lens in your pocket, and a chip so powerful it actually needs water cooling. And the kicker? It still starts at $1,099 with no hidden price hike. So, did Apple just drop the most powerful iPhone ever? Or is this just a shiny orange distraction? Stick around. We're breaking down design, cameras, performance, and Apple's new AI tricks. Let's start with the outside, because the iPhone 17 Pro definitely got a wardrobe change. Titanium is out, and Apple's using a forged aluminum unibody that's lighter, tougher, and dissipates heat 20 times better. Translation: no more mini toaster during gaming. And yes, there's a new orange color. Apple calls it vibrant. I call it finally fun. After years of funeral shades like graphite and space black, this bold orange actually makes you smile. But the real glow-up isn't the color. It's what's hiding inside that massive new camera strip. Okay, camera nerds, this is your moment. Apple went wild this year. The iPhone 17 Pro introduces an 8x optical zoom. Yep, optical, not digital. That's equivalent to a 200mm lens, and it basically doubles the reach of last year's Pro Max. Combine that with a 56% larger main sensor, and you're looking at low-light shots that actually feel pro-grade, not just good for a phone. All 3 rear cameras are rocking 48 megapixels now, and the front jumps to 18 megapixels with center stage smarts. But the real showstopper? ProRes RAW video recording. That's a feature usually reserved for Hollywood productions, and now it's in your pocket. Imagine filming cinematic quality footage at a concert, then editing it like you would on a studio camera. Wild, and Apple even tossed in new AI photo tricks like Clean Up, which lets you erase unwanted objects with a tap. So yeah, next time someone photobombs your perfect shot, just poof, gone. Now, let's peek under the hood. The new A19 Pro chip is Apple's fastest ever, with up to 40% better performance than last year's A18. But here's where it gets spicy. Apple added a vapor chamber cooling system with deionized water. That's right, your iPhone is now basically water-cooled like a gaming PC. Pair that with the aluminum unibody, and this thing is designed to stay cool even when you're pushing it with AAA games or heavy AI tasks. And yes, Apple Intelligence is back and smarter than ever. Whether it's generating images, live translating your FaceTime calls, or rewriting your texts to sound more polite, it's clear Apple's aiming straight at Google Gemini and ChatGPT with this one. But here's the twist. Apple didn't just stop at speed. They redesigned iOS itself. The iPhone 17 Pro launches with iOS 26 and Apple's new liquid glass design. Think brighter, more transparent menus and widgets that feel like polished crystal. It's not a total overhaul. You won't get lost relearning everything, but it feels fresh and modern. The AI upgrades, branded as Apple Intelligence, are quietly massive. You've got live translation for real-time captions in FaceTime, visual intelligence that lets you search anything on your screen, and even smarter group selfies that automatically expand the frame when friends join in. Basically, your phone is now your translator, photographer, and social coordinator all at once. And we can't forget the battery. Apple says the 17 Pro Max has the biggest ever in an iPhone, with up to 39 hours of video playback. That's 4 more than the 15 Pro Max, which might finally make this the true all-day and then some iPhone people have wanted. Put that together with a bolder design, the longest zoom lens Apple's ever shipped, a water-cooled A19 Pro chip, smarter AI features, and double the storage at the same $1,099 starting price. and it's hard not to call this a serious upgrade. So what do you think? Is this the year you make the jump, or are you still holding out for Apple's foldable iPhone down the road? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full deep dive review.